Hello, good afternoon. My name is Jose Carlos. I'm from Ceres University. I'm going to present a workshop using lists and groups. The objective of this workshop is to become familiar the tool that is used to create and manipulate lists of entities, nodes, and elements. We're going to use curves and surfaces in this geometry. First, we're going to create a model of a portion of fairing, and well, we will see. We will start creating a new database. We're going to set the tolerance to default. Make sure that the analysis code and analysis type are set to MSC Nastran and the analysis type to structural. And then we click OK. Then we're going to start creating the geometry. First, we're going to create a point. So we press geometry, create point. In the method, we press HGC. Then we turn off the auto execute. We put 3000 under the points coordinates list. Then we click apply. Next, we're going to create a curve with the same method, and in the vector coordinates list we're going to put 0, 120 and 0, and then on the origin coordinates list we're going to put 50, 40 and 0, 0, and we click apply. So now we can see the curves that are representing the geometry, one of them. The second one, we're going to create it putting creating another curve but with the method of point. We're going to turn off the auto execute. Then we're going to select the point 1 is going to be the starting point list. Sorry, we're going to put the point 1 in the under the starting point list, and then we're going to click on point 2 for ending point list. Then we click apply. Now we can see the basic geometry for the fairing. We need to revolve this 360 degrees to get the final model. So we're going to put a surface method revolve. Then in the axis we're going to put the chord 0.2, and the total angle we're going to put 360. We're going to turn off the auto execute. In the curve list we're going to select the curve 1 and curve 2. Then we're going to click apply. In viewing, if we put viewing, then we put angles. We're going to put 30, 0, 0 under angles, and then we click apply. Now we can see all the model from a different angle. Then we're going to put display geometry, and we're going to put 3 in the number of display lines. Then we click apply and then cancel. So next we're going to create a mesh. So we go to meshing, edit, create mesh seed, and the method is uniform. So we select a number of elements and we put 36 for the number. We're going to, in the curve list, we're going to select the top circumferential edge. Then we click apply. Now we can see the match. So we need to do basically the same for the vertical direction. So we're going to create match seed. The method is one-way BS. So we're going to select L1 and L2. It's one-way BS. So next is L1 and L2. Here, yep. And then we're going to put 7 on L1 and 10 in L2. We turn off the AutoExecute. In the curve list, we're going to select the curve number 1. That is the vertical one. And then we're going to click apply. Here, apply. Okay. Then again, we're going to create a mesh seed, one-way BS, select L1 and L2. But now we're going to put 4 in L1 and 7 in L2. And we're going to select the curve number 2, that is the one on the bottom. And then we click apply. Now we see all the image. So now we're going to create a mesh, and then the type is going to be surface. We need to select quad, isomesh, quad 4, and we need to select the entire model by drawing up an entire box around it. Then we click apply. Yeah, now we can see it. It's cool, right? Now we need to remove the display lines, but by clicking on the display lines icon. It's this one, yeah. We need to remove the labels by clicking the high levels icon. Yeah. Okay. And we need to decrease the point size by clicking on the point size icon. Okay. So now we need to mesh the horizontal circumferential. So we're going to plot erase icon and click erase under FME, and then we're going to click OK. So we're going to create a mesh by the method curve. We set topology to part 2. Here it is. And we need to select the 3 surface edges by clicking shift, and with the shift button we can do it. Then we click apply. Now we can see, right? So everything mesh with a mesh. So we're going to verify element boundaries. We select 3 edges under display type. Then we click apply. Now again we go to the action, is equivalence, then all, then tolerance cube, and we click apply. We need to do again verify, yep, element boundaries, 3 edges, and apply. Okay, now we go to home, plot erase icon, we put plot under FME, and we click OK. So we're going to create a new group. So we go to group, create, we're going to enter FME as the group name. Then we're going to select unpost all other groups. We change group contents to add all FME. Yep, this one. and apply. Next, we're going to create a material, isotropic. So we create isotropic, we click on isotropic, and manual input, the name is going to be alum underscore 1. It's going to be the material name. Then we click input properties, select linear elastic and enter 1.05 E7 on elastic modulus. Then E7. Then on Poisson radio we put 0.33, density 2.6, E minus 4. Then we click OK and apply. So we're going to create another material, isotropic, but now the name is going to be alum underscore 2. The elastic modulus is 1.18 E7. The Poisson radio is the same one, and density 2.4 E minus 4. We click OK and then we click apply. So now we're going to go to fields, create a spatial, and the method is PCL function. The field name is going to be thickness, and we're going to put on the scalar function 1.5 slash comma y slash 160, and we put apply. So we're going to do the same, but the field name is temperature, and we put 200.0, and inside a parentheses 200.0, inside a parentheses we're going to put 150.0 slash 160.0. we close the parentheses, we put a star, then a comma on the top, and then an edge, and we click apply. Now we're going to the front view. We go to properties, create second 2D chill. So we enter prop 1 for the property set name, prop 1. We go to input properties, the material property name, we need to select the icon and select alum 1, and then OK. It's the one that we already created, and then apply. Then we go again to input properties, we put thickness. In the thickness icon we press it, and we're going to select thickness. Now we go again to OK. Then we go to preferences, picking, and set a rectangle polygon picking. Rectangle polygon picking to enclose. Okay, we put it to, we select enclose entire entity, and we click enclose entire entity, and then we click close. We click on select members, and we click on the shell element icon. It's this one. We select select members, shell element icon. Then we're going to select the top portion of the fairing by drawing a box around the desired section. That is this one, yeah. We put add and then apply. And then apply, yeah. So now we're going to create the property number 2. So we're going to change, we're verifying that is everything okay. Yep. So we're going to create the number 2. We put prop underscore 2. Input properties, we click on material property. Now it's alum 2. The thickness icon, then thickness, then okay. And we're going to click on select members, and now we're going to select the bottom part by creating a box around it, then add and then apply, and we'll put yes for all. So we're going to put the temperatures. So we create temperature, no, the type is nodal, so we enter temp for the new set name. We click on input data, click on temperature, and then select temperature from the spatial fields. Then we click select application region, FME, and we click on application region and select entire model. So we select all the nodes by drawing a box. Then we click on add, and then we click and apply, and we click OK. So it says okay, we're going to display it, low PC on properties. We're going to remove check from temperature, then we click apply and then cancel. Yeah. So we're going to use lists and groups to filter. We're going to tools, list, create, FME element attribute. Okay, we close this, yeah. I go to FM tools, list, create again. Now it's, yeah, it's open FME element attribute. We select material, then we put, and then it's size field materials. We select the alum 1, set the target list to A, then click apply. So now we are going to, we have this new group, new list, letter A. Okay, we can close it. Now we can see it. So we put cancel to close it. So we go to properties. Show. We select the thickness. Then we select set display method to scalar plot. We select current viewport, select FME, and we click apply. Now we can see it, all the different temperature. Oh, these cool colors, yeah. So we go again to create a list letter B. So we go to list, create, FME element attribute. We select fringe value. Under fringe tool, select default fringe. We change the F to and enter 0.98. We're going to select B for the target list, then we're going to click apply. And now we have a list. So now we're going to list Boolean. We have the two lists, so we're going to create a new one with the intersect icon. We have the new values and we're going to replace the list A, and then we click cancel. So we go again to loads. We're going to, the action is plot contours, then temperature. We're going to select temp from the siding sets, existing sets. Where is it? Temp. Okay, we're going to click on temp. We're going to select temperature under select data variable, and we select the FME group, and then we click apply. So now we got to list. We need to create a temperature value, default range. We change the F to minus, and we're going to put 230.0. Then we're going to select the target list to be. We click on clear on the list B, and we have all the lists right now. So we're going to put clear, and then we click apply. So now we have our list B. So we're going to list Boolean, click clear. Under intersection icon, we put add to group. Then we put in the group name common underscore quads. Then we click apply, and then we click cancel. We're going to group post. We're going to select the common quads. We put apply and then cancel, and then we go to the ISO1 view. So now we can see it. These are the elements that satisfy all the three conditions, and it's represented with these cool colors. So we're going to click on the reset graphics icon. Yep. So we're going to again to create a group, and the group name is prop1 underscore group. So we're going to select the prop1 group, then we're going to apply, and then we're going to do the same, but now it's with the group 2, the prop 2, and then we put apply. We go to display, entity color, label, render. We're going to select the prop1 group under the target groups. So we put this cool color, yellow one, and then we're going to put for the prop2 group, we're going to put this blue one. It's okay. And we put the render style, we put hiding line. Now we click apply and then cancel. So we go to the isotree view icon, we go to group, post, and we select the prop1 group, then we click apply and we can see it. Then we go to the prop2 group, we click apply, we can see it. Now we can see both. And yeah, this is all for today. I hope that you understood and you can do it in your own home or school. This is very useful, and thank you very much. See you until the next video. Goodbye.